Lokesh, let us wait for like 3-4 minutes for more people to join,
Yes, yes.
as we are going to start at 5. So,
Yeah, yeah,
a
no
few
issues. My
minutes more.
screen is visible.
Mm. Yeah, we can just see has started live screening.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I'll stop just while I was checking. Yeah, my screen is visible. Yeah, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it's
Okay,
visible.
okay. I will just pause once. Yes, perfectly. I am ready whenever you are saying.
Okay. Uh, it's already our time, and let us start the session. Uh, We had taken a break for 1 week for this initiative. We have already done around 11 sessions on this initiative by Pune branch of introducing and a little bit of an introduction to the various tools or used cases related to our profession, that how AI can be explored in connection to our profession of chartered accountancy in various aspects, or even maybe making presentations or other things. So we have had very interesting sessions before also, and thank you so much for to the participants who have been joining consistently. And this actually gives us a motivation to keep on arranging these sessions and looking for wonderful AI enthusiasts and speakers. So Lokesh Agrawal is one of such AI enthusiasts who has agreed to take a session for us. He is also faculty with ICAI for AI. So, just to introduce Lokesh, Lokesh is actually means Lokesh. We are doing these sessions since I think Jan, uh, and people have been appreciating these sessions. Also, once the session is done, they have a little bit of hands-on experience, and they might have a few questions also later on. So maybe in the coming days, we would request you if you can solve a few queries of our members. And I will also, you are on a mute mode. So I can request you to maybe join our group on AI tools, which is already there. And if people have questions, then they can post there also. So
Hmm.
Before you start with your session, if you can just tell a brief about yourself in a few lines to the audience, then it would be interesting, and then immediately you can take over with the session. So
Okay.
thanks for joining, Lokesh, and giving us your time. Thank you.
Yeah. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Firstly, I would really thank Pune branch for such a wonderful initiative. It is very, very important that we as chartered accountants, as professionals, embrace the AI because it is coming so fast that we have to cope up with it. Earlier, what happened that GST is coming, income tax is coming. Now, income tax new act is coming. So we have always embraced new act, new technology. So AI also we should embrace fast, and this is one good step by the Pune branch. So thank you, ma'am, so much, and thank you for inviting me. About little bit about me is that I am also practicing chartered accountant, and more of it into training and technology because I had a technology liking right from day one when I cleared my chartered accountancy. So from that time only Excel and all the chat GPT वगैरह तो they came 2024, but till 2017 onwards the Excel I used to do something, some templates and other things. Always I used to see tips and tricks as a how we can increase our efficiency because work is almost same. आप भी audit करते हैं, there are other people doing audit, but who does more efficiently will be the winner. So that, and apart from that, ICAI has taken a lot of initiatives, and there was one hackathon also. There are four already hackathons done by ICAI. So in the first hackathon, I reached till semi-final. That was very, very motivating for me to see so many AI enthusiasts, connect with them and learning with them. More apart from that, from last 1.5 years, I have also been more into teaching about AI here, seminars, webinars, everything. So I will also share the link later on where you can find the sessions and recordings and videos, everything, and tools also. So that's a little bit about me. So we'll start the presentation without much delay. Just 2 minutes. Normally, I don't show theory, matlab, presentation and all. Everything will be practical. We are going to learn 3 to 4 use cases. I have given Google anti-gravity. I'm going to show how to download that, but basic use cases because I believe that first day I cannot go, or earlier it was not done. So I have decided not to move much deeper. We are going to keep it very, very base level so that everybody can understand, and as ma'am said, everybody can implement the same. I'm also going to give the links and this prompt file, everything, so that you can right away after this implement the same. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Just give me a minute. So I
Yes, it is visible, Lokesh.
Yes, yes. So let me start just a 1 minute presentation, just a welcome note. So welcome everyone to this presentation. And today we are going to do the session in 4 parts. Very, very simple. First, we will see some Excel automation. Then we'll see some Gmail automation, HTML, and then question and answer. So first in Excel automation, we are going to see some VBA automation, how we can help our clients and ourselves in doing some automations which we are doing manually. Like we have taken one use case when we'll go to the practical. Second is reminders, welcome email, birthday reminders, or GSTR1 reminder. All these things we are doing the Gmail, and that we are going to see how we can automate them perfectly on automation. Third is we are nowadays the fashion is of dashboards, so of data insights. So how we can use HTML for the same. And then if time permits, I'm going to show you one more. Otherwise, we will proceed to the doubt session. Okay, so these are the 4 chapters in our project today, and that's all for the presentation. Little bit I will say that whenever you are started, the day you have started, after that you are definitely going to feel आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे, because it is a very drastic shift from manual to automation. Whatever we are doing manual, if it is rule based, if it is repetitive, it is resource consumption, then that thing can be automated. So RRR, we have to remember that if it is repetitive, if it is rule based, and if it is consuming our resources, then definitely we can automate that, and we will definitely going to feel that we are आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे. Okay, so that's all for my presentation. A little bit about me. You can any day connect with me on my WhatsApp, on my email. Also, I've given a link to join those who want to connect with me further. Also, there is a channel YouTube Tech Flow Hub by Lokesh, where we are regularly posting videos and all these things in order to support each and everyone. Everybody is learning. It's not like that when I am teaching or when we are taking the seminar, we are experts. Every day we have to learn from each other and we have to support each other, because this is very, very fast paced. We are not getting time to update also. It is coming with so much fast. Like we will see that when we had started, ChatGPT was there, then Grok, then Gemini, then Claude, Opus. So many things are coming every day. So we have to support each other. This is what I believe. And for that, we are doing all the things, whatever we can, that we have to do. This is my personal belief. So that's all. And now, what are we waiting for? Let's go to the practicals. Okay. And just give me 1 second. We'll go to the practicals. So first, as we told, we can download anti-gravity. Just 1 minute. Yes. I'll close the presentation. Normal, we go to Gmail, and what we can do is just type Google anti-gravity. I will not go deeper into anti-gravity, just showing what it is. Okay. So Google anti-gravity, you will get this sign and you can simply download it. It is similar to a desktop based application. You can download it. It is not, it is online, but we don't have to go to any website or anything. It is similar to desktop based application. Like ChatGPT and all, we have to go to ChatGPT, we have to go to Grok, but here we don't have to go anywhere. It is a simple desktop based application. Once I'm going to show, and then we'll move to normal examples which you can do with anti-gravity. Okay, if I click on anti-gravity, simple, it is a desktop based app. You can see I can show Excel वगैरह, जैसे Excel and all are opening, anti-gravity is the same. Okay, it is a integrated development and environment, means similar to somebody may be using VS Code or Cursor. All these things are almost same. Google's product is anti-gravity and I love it very much. I have been using it since the day I have been using anti-gravity. I have left every other thing. Okay, it is taking some time. I don't know what happened. First time when we are loading, definitely it takes some time. Anyways, it is simple desktop based, so it is not a big issue. Once I'm going to show the interface, and then we are going to move to real life examples. Okay, examples, purposefully I have used other GPTs as much as possible, so that anti-gravity is nothing new. Like the examples we are doing, we can do in ChatGPT, we can do in Grok, we can do in Claude, anywhere. Somebody are asking what is the difference, unless you are doing complex things. Like I have shown simple example, simple automation. Whenever you are going to build some application or high level coding, only that time the difference will come. Otherwise, I have taken examples of all the GPTs. Okay, so I want to show that everything is possible. Okay, our anti-gravity is open right now. A file is open, just I will close it. So close folder. So here what you can do, this is the basic structure of anti-gravity. We can open our folder, we can link our desktop based files to it, whatever it is, and then simple right side you will get the agent. Like we are talking to ChatGPT, we can do the coding here, like we are exactly like ChatGPT. We are typing here, it will give us something, and then again we are typing here. What is best is you can choose the models. Okay, you want Gemini or you want Claude. Opus is very good nowadays for coding. Generally we are using for coding only, non background. Even we are not coding background, but we can do the coding. Okay, this 11 classes done, so this is basic. I hope it is very clear that we are not of technical background, not of coding background, but we can create almost anything, right? So here only good thing is that extra good thing is that you can choose the model. Okay, whenever you are doing hardcore coding, obviously Claude Opus 4.6 is best. Okay, others are also there, Gemini and all Google products, everything is there. Okay, so basically this was the thing, that to anti-gravity, not going deep, you can do it anyway, you can try it here. So now coming to the first use case, very simple. Suppose our clients are having a, just 1 minute. Also, I'm sharing the link in the chats so that you can practice along, or later also you can do. And if I'm fast or slow or anything, you can let me know. Sound is not clear. Somebody has written now. Sound, any issues with my sound? Anyone who can confirm? Anyone who can confirm if there are issues with my sound?
No issues.
No.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So I'm trying, I think no issues. Okay, I have shared in the chats the first example of salary slip. Okay, so what happens is we are normally our clients or ourselves even we are having normal salary calculations. Okay, which is very very basic that we are writing the serial number, then date, from, to, month, first name, last name. The columns may be different, does not matter. Then we are calculating the gross salary, earned salary, basic, all these things, right? Now what happens, a big problem with our small clients, normally the big units, they are doing everything, but small clients, they don't have this system of working. So as a professional now, many avenues are open to us which were earlier not available. So what we will do, our salary slip, we are going to generate on perfect automation. Okay, so normally maximum I believe maximum our small units, those who are clients, they are not making any salary slip, nothing, except when some employees ask, then they will create manually and all these things. So what we can do, perfect automation. Okay, so here is the sample data. You can see 17 employees are there. Now what we need, first thing is that we need a word file, a template, how our salary slip is going to look. So we can put our logo here, company name here, address here, everything. And then very simple, whatever columns we need, suppose month, from, first name, last name, you can see the month, then I have written month inside this double brackets, financial I have written inside financial year, designation inside designation. Okay, these are not random things. Month if I have written, this has to match from this heading. Okay, otherwise how we will do the mapping? This is purely mapping thing, that we are mapping professional tax with professional tax. If here professional tax was written PT, I will show you, normally it is professional tax only. If I write here PT, then there also I am going to write PT only. Okay, here I am writing professional tax, I will write PT only. Right now I will not change because this is just a sample example. So what I have done, simple, normally we are calculating the salary for every employee. We have created one template. How do we want our pay slip to look like? This is absolutely customizable. Whatever columns you need, you can simply add here. Okay, and what we can do is, generally data sharing is a problem, everything is a problem. So I have created sample data for once. Okay, now the link I have given, the prompt also, you when you will open, you will get something like this. Okay, so very very simple. I told I am using different GPTs to make you understand that everywhere everything is possible. Okay, just it is going to take sometime more time in Grok, sometimes in ChatGPT. So it does not matter much unless you are doing very very deep hardcore coding. For that, Claude is best. I am using Claude. So for basic things, what I have done is very simple. I have uploaded the both the document Excel and Word, since it contains our sample data only, because we are creating the automation. After that it will run on live data, it is not a problem. So live data, I would request or suggest that don't share live data. This is just a sample data. You can see the pan numbers, everything is just 1111, all these things. So with that we can train the AI. After that it is going to work on perfect automation. Okay, so I have just uploaded the files, and very very simple plain English. Please read the Excel file and Word file. I don't need any action right now, just read it once. Once you confirm that you have read, I shall ask the question. So it has told that I have reviewed both documents, the payroll data and the payslip template. Feel free to go ahead with your question. So simple, I have written, I want to create a macro that should create all payslips for each employee separately. My instructions are very, very clear that for every employee, I want a separate payslip for all employees. Okay, on a click of a button. My main requirement is use the Word file, use the Excel file. All I want is on a click of a button, all the payslips separately should be available and made to me. So can you check if they are mapped properly? Whereas we have definitely mapped properly, but still I told that if there is any mapping problem, you please point out. And then those who do not know, it can be done through macro. You can write also that give me suggestion, how can I do? Then it is going to tell it. Obviously, with little bit of experience, we are good enough to know what can be done through what. So I've written, can it be done through VBA code? The path of the word file, since what will happen, it is going to pick the Excel data, then it is going to open the word file, fill these data month by month, employee by employee, financial, and every time, maybe 20 times, 17 times, whatever. So that's why the path is very, very important where we want to store the PDF. Okay. Similarly, name of the Word file is this, name of the Excel sheet is this. Please generate a code accordingly. Simple. So let's create a VBA macro to generate payslips and all. Then it is doing the mapping verification as I asked it. Okay, and then it says everything is right, everything is then it is given the VBA code, simple VBA code. Okay, those who do not know how to run, instruction is also given by AI, or you can also write that give me the instruction. I am absolutely layman or having no knowledge, no technical knowledge, so it is going to give every single instruction. Whenever we are stuck, it is going to do everything for us. Okay, simple. So what we have to do, I'll just read on the instructions and we'll follow. Open, enable the developer tab. Okay, and check developer. Open VBA editor in Excel. So now what I will do, I will close the Word file. Okay, our Excel file is open. So it says press Alt plus F11 or use developer tab Visual Basic. So I don't need the developer tab. Definitely we can just press Alt F11. As soon as I press Alt F11, I hope the Visual Basics screen is visible to all. Yes, anybody who in the chats or anybody who can confirm that the Visual Basic screen is there?
Yes.
Yes. So now first step is done. It is telling that press Alt F11. Second is right click on your VBA project, your workbook name, insert module. So our workbook name, this is the thing. This is our workbook name. Yes. Okay. This is my, all these things is there. Then it is saying click on insert and module. So I'll go to insert module. Very, very simple. Insert module. Okay. And then it is saying paste the code. So above code, I am going to paste, copy and paste. That's it. This much only. Then it is saying reference word liability, go to reference. All these things are there. Okay, these are already not an issue. Even if we don't do, it is giving some extra cautiousness. Now what happened? Press F5 or select the run the macro. Simple, by pressing F5. Okay, only one thing you have to change here. The path I have hard coded when I was practicing. Okay, D Lokesh practice Excel automation. Right now, the Excel and Word file. Okay, I'm giving the Excel and Word file also if anybody wants to practice. I hope I can just give me everything. Yes, prompt is gone. Prompt code payslip cannot be sent because it is currently in use. Okay, I will just copy paste it. I have given the prompt code, everything. Okay. All the examples I'm going to give, don't worry. So what will happen? I've given the copy. Now, what is the smallest issue or slight changes that you have to do is that my path was hard coded. You will have a different path because right now I've created Pune branch and everything. So it is having a different path. So only that much change. What you can do is continue conversation and write it that change the path to this your current path. Okay, that simple thing you have to do because I had hard coded the path. So my code, if you want to see, you will see somewhere that the path, yes, you can see file path, PDF path, which is what the original code. So what I will do is simple, I will give the new path. So my new path is this. Okay, I'll copy this and file path. Simple, I will give this, I will change here. I can go to ChatGPT and say that change the path to this will work perfectly. Okay, here also I can say change the path to this. You can just continue your conversation, or normally what happened, I saw the path and we change in the code. This is very, very basic. Okay, then again PDF path also I have to change. Simple. So only this minor change I have done. Okay, then I will just close it. And now we are back to Excel. One cautiousness that whenever you are opening the Excel and running the code, that time Word file should not be open. because it is going to open the Word file again, do the Excel mapping, everything. So don't keep the Word file open. This template.docx, don't open that when you are running the code. Okay, two things I have told. First one, you have to change the path, which you can write in ChatGPT also, Grok also, anywhere, or you can do manually also. Now what will happen? I will simply press F, Alt F5. Let's see how to run it. Press F5 or use the developer tab. Okay, so we can run through the VBA also. If I press, just one second. This is the slip, Alt F11. Again, if I press here, I can run from here also. I can run F5 also, anywhere. So just I will run the application, whatever we have created, and slowly what will happen in the payslip area, you can see 12,000 payslip, 50,000 payslip, 50,000, 38,000, all the payslips. We will see 17 payslips perfectly generated within 17 seconds. So we don't have to do manually. This is going to be super automation, super awesome, and we can suggest our client, we can, this has opened new avenues for us, that we can suggest our client small automations they can do in office. Once it's done, it is definitely going to say that payslip generated successfully. Okay, so we will click close here, and then name of the file, definitely I have not told anything, so it is based on amount. You can change it to the name also. Okay, so 200 payslips, I believe, 1 minute. So 200, this is the 200, this one. Okay, so Anjali Malhotra. So when I open this, you will see perfectly our format. Anjali Malhotra is there, 10 number is there, and net deduction and net pay, everything is there. So this way you can check any one of them. 18,000, which one is, let me see, Ritu Singh. So Ritu Singh, kahan gaya? Ritu Singh, the last one, finance manager, whatever options we have given, you can see every option is going. Net pay is 82,000. So net pay is 82,000, net deduction and everything is coming, whichever we have met. So this is a perfect use case where you can use VBA. And why I show this? Because, wait, let me unsave it. Just 1 second. We'll close this. Don't save. Okay. So this is a perfect use case where from Excel and Word we have generated PDF. So Excel VBA goes beyond Excel and Word. This is what I want to show, that we have generated PDF with the help of Excel VBA. Okay, I hope this is clear. You can also use anti-gravity to write the code. Right now, I'm not going deeper into it. Anyways, you can write here also the same thing. You can keep your folder and everything here. This way, just I will open the folder and what will happen? And you can just do the here. Everything will come. Okay, right now we have already done it, but you can read the Excel file, and I want a template like this. Simple. Okay, I'll not show this in anti-gravity. So I hope the first example is very simple and clear. Any doubts, I am waiting in the chats. Okay, in the chats there is one message. Sir, please share Word file. Yes, I have shared it. Template.docx. This is the Word file. In the chats I have given template.docx. Okay. I've code also, if somebody gets a wrong code, extra code I have pasted, and this you can copy in the VBA also. Okay. What to give the prompt, I have given there. Also already I have shared the this prompt link first. Okay, again I am sharing for those who missed out, or I will share the link file. Just give me 1 second. Link file, screener will not be there and this will not be there. Okay, so salary slip and email automation, I am sharing the links file also. So those who are still not getting the prompt, directly you can access the GPT prompt directly. So anyone having any doubts, I am waiting in the chats to move forward further. Can we move ahead? Yes. Okay, I think yes. Anybody who want to say something? Okay, we will move ahead. Anybody please in the chats, or anybody who can confirm? My voice is audible, I hope. Yes, okay. Thank you, Payalji. Thank you so much. So I hope you like the use case. Second one is very, very dear or near to my heart because we are using it every day. What happens is GST reminder, any document reminder, all these things we are sending to our clients. What happens is that we have to do it manually. If we have 50 clients, we have to do 50 email. WhatsApp automation can also be done, but WhatsApp is taking a little bit clumsy because we have to take WhatsApp API and all. So Gmail is much easier because Gmail is generally free and we have Gmail workspace with us or Google workspace that can allow you to do for absolutely free. You don't have to use any paid tool here. Okay, so we'll go to the second this prompt. Okay, I will share in the prompt again in the chats. Okay, this you can access. So what is very simple here, what we are going to do, just give me 1 second. Okay, anti-gravity we have downloaded. So here what happened, I have simple written, I have taken the example of welcome email. You can take reminders, anything 100% customizable. I have just showed welcome email. You can take anything. Again, I would say you can take any example. Okay, so what I have written, I want to write a small Google script for automate mail. I want to welcome my clients on board in professional manner. Tell me what column you require to run this in a Google Sheet. It will work on Active Sheet. Make sure the code is error free. Simple. So if you have no idea, you can first prompt, you can write that I want to automate my email. What is the easiest way? So it will suggest your that you use Google Script or Python. So Python and all are very complicated. Google App Script very simple. Okay, so that's why I have gone directly that I want to write a Google App Script. So it is telling the perfect use case for Google App Script. I'll keep it clean, professional and practical. So these are the common column names that are required. Okay, and how to do it, it is telling us everything, open extension, app script and the code and everything. Okay, how to run, everything is there. Anything you have doubt, you can simply ask ChatGPT. Okay, or any GPT, anti-gravity, Claude, whatever you are using. So what I will do, simple, I will go to new and just open a this new Google. Oh, sorry, just sorry, my screen sharing stopped, I think. 1 second. Okay, what we will do, simple here, we will use Google Sheets. In any Gmail, it is accessible. Simple Google Sheet. Okay, so I have opened a new Google Sheet, blank spreadsheet. This is a perfectly blank sheet. Okay, I will take it to the another tab so that it is easier for us. Okay, this is perfectly blank sheet. I have not done anything. So now first thing is, what are the column name I should keep? Okay, so your row one must be headers exactly like this. Case insensitive is fine. Anyways, what I will do, I will copy and paste. Simple copy paste. Okay, client name, copy paste. Then company name, 1 second. Company name, I will simply copy paste. Then onboard status, I will simply copy paste and then sent date. Okay, sent date. Simple. Oh, sorry, everything came. I don't want everything. Oh, sorry. Just the send date. These are the headings. I have asked ChatGPT to give me the headings. Okay. Now what happened? We will simply write our dummy data or we can give actual data also. If anybody wants to check, they can give their email in the chats. I'm going to use that and they can later confirm whether they have received the email or not. If anybody wants to try, they can just give their email ID so that we can live confirm whether they have received the email or not. Any email ID, if anybody wants to share in the chats so that we can confirm. Okay, I have got one. We will use this. Okay, so in the email we will keep the email. Okay, we got two. Okay, I'm using this. Okay, so client name here I'm writing admin only, here iPhone. Okay, as per the names. These are not the names, but okay. Company we can write anything. Right now I don't have the information, so I'm writing my company name, TechFlow Hub. Okay, the ABC form. Okay, then we will just see here what are the instructions. So it is saying required, yes, client email ID used in greeting. If you want companies mentioned, yes, we want it. To avoid sending mail twice. Okay, onboard status, yes. For tracking, optional. Okay, so simple onboard status, yes. And send date. So send date, we have to keep empty. Okay, it is telling that optional for tracking. So we have given it, or we can also remove it, anyways, not an issue. So send date, it should be, today's date is 20. I forgot today's date. Please don't mind, 25. Sorry. 25/02/2026. Okay. Onboard status, we will keep blank. Okay. Now we will read the instructions first. Error free Google professional welcome, this leave blank. Onboard status, leave blank, email will be sent, email will not be sent again. If I write here anything, it will not be sent. Okay, so I've read the instruction. Now body professional, non AI sounding, personalized with name and company. So name and company is going to be personalized. Now error free app script, ready to use. So it is telling open extensions and then app script and paste this code, simple. So when we are in the Google Sheet, we will see here we have extensions and app script. As it told, extensions and app script, we found this simple. It is coming a little bit slow. Sometimes it is slow, I don't know, especially when we are in seminars and webinars. Definitely when we are practicing it is fine, but other days it knows that it is very important, that's why it is not coming on time. Okay, this is just a joke. uh I don't think it should take so much of time. Simple. Yes, it's here. Okay. It is loading. So just we will wait 1 minute more. Till then, what we will do, we will just copy the code. Copy. Okay, copy. If somebody wants to understand, they can see the code and everything. It is comparatively easier. Okay, it is told JavaScript and all this. Now here everything is there. We will remove the existing code and just paste it. That's it. We will remove the code and just paste it. Okay, then what it is telling, how to run, save the script and run, simple. And then it is saying give Gmail permission only once. Now one thing I want to say, this Google Sheet, no doubt it is my Gmail only, like I'm using TechFlow Hub, but this sheet is independent, a different app, and Gmail is a different application. So one time, only one time, what we have to do, we have to give our Gmail permission to this sheet. This sheet will access our Gmail, do the mail automatically. So we have to give the permission. Okay, only one time. So here we are, it told to save the script. It has told us that save the script, click run and send. So this is the run button. Now run. Now first time, again I'm saying only one time we have to give the permission. Okay, some error is coming, I don't know what happened. Send welcome email, it is not asking for permission. Normally what happens is it asks for permission. Okay, I don't know what happened. Let's do it once again. Normally there is no error. This is tried and tested. Okay, we'll do it again. I don't know what happened, but normally there are no issues. Extension, app script. I think some issue with the internet. Normally there is no issues. Okay, again it is coming. I will close and paste the code. Okay, then I will run. Yes, see, now it is asking for permission. This app not might not work without providing all requested permission. So review permission, one time exercise, you can understand. Okay, then we have to see this. We'll go to advanced. Since Google hasn't verified all these security issues, Google is definitely going to warn us. Okay, but we know that our untitled project is safe. Okay, go to untitled project, because we have not named it untitled spreadsheet. So now it is telling untitled project wants access to your Google account. This Google Sheet is our, this Gmail is ours, so definitely we can do the permission, not an issue. So what permission? Read, compose, send and permanently delete your mail from Gmail. See, edit, create and delete your Google spreadsheet. Okay, so we will select that it can read, compose, send everything. That's all. Continue. So this one time permission we have given to this script, and now execution started and execution completed within fraction of a seconds. No doubt we have given here two email ID. Now those who have given the email ID, please confirm if you got a welcome email. Whereas we are also going to see my sent items. Okay, in Gmail, just 1 minute, and then send. Okay, so you will see, I don't know why internet got slow suddenly. To Poonamji and to client, this we have written. You can see the time 0 minutes ago. If Poonamji can confirm they have received this email, I am waiting in the chats. Yes, received, it is written. Yes, received. So it is a fraction of a second work that I have shown welcome email, whereas I have not even drafted what email to write. So ChatGPT is so smart that this email content, that this welcome to this, I have not drafted. I can change it. Yes, perfectly. Yes, perfectly easy, and we can change it definitely. If I write now whatever modification I want. Suppose I don't want welcome email, I want client reminders for GSTR1. So what I have to do, just simply write here, change this to client reminder. So the column will change. Basic changes are there. This is one example so that you can understand that this is possible. Okay, so the both have confirmed that they have this sent. You can see it is sent on 25/2. Okay, so this perfectly works for us. Absolutely, it is. This reminder can be used every day and a very useful use case, I think. Okay, so if anyone has any doubts, they can ask me in the chats. I have given, yes, one second. Instead of ChatGPT, can we use Gemini? Definitely, ma'am, definitely. I have done in ChatGPT, Grok, everywhere. As app script being from one Google family, Gemini may generate better results. Better results, little bit iteration will be required. Little bit iteration will be required. It is not that Gemini is giving, because it is app script, it will give better. There is no such thing. Okay. Anyways, Gemini 3 is better than ChatGPT or Grok in coding. Whatever you are coding, whether it's app script, whether it's VBA, whether it is Python, Python, anything, Gemini 3 is better. And right now, Claude Opus is better than any one of them. So they keep this revising or new versions. So we have to stick, we have to understand that there. Can we check matter before sending mail? Yes, definitely. I have not given the matter. I could have prompted it in a different way that this is the matter. If I give here, this is the matter, then it is going to include that. Or if you look little bit of coding, little bit, no need much. What will happen here only you will find, you see this. We are pleased to have this with look here. If I change it and look forward, look backward, whatever I want to do. So all this I can do here also little bit if I understand. Otherwise, you can write in chat GPT that change the mail to this. You can keep buttons here. Yes, you can ask for Google Drive link of files, any logo, anything you want to send. You can just write that fetch this file from Google Drive and then send it. So many variations are possible. Absolutely, it is 100% customized. Okay, I'm seeing in the chat some more chats are there. For email, there is a limit of 100 per day. I don't think so, ma'am. There is no limit of 100. I think it is 600 or 500. Yes, 500, ma'am. If you are having more than 500, then you can use two mail. Anyways, manually also you are doing that. So manually you are doing. What I want to show is that manual work has been shifted to this automation. Okay, and obviously 500 is too much. You can use two mails. Okay, can we check matter before sending? Yes, means matter sending mail. You can perfectly prompt the chat GPT to change the matter. If you are a little bit well to do, or you can understand the code, you will see variable bodies here only. Okay, we can understand that very easily, but sometimes we don't want coding and all, so directly you can ask chat GPT to change it. Okay, anyone, any more doubts, so that we can move in the third example? Anyone, please confirm me that till here any more doubts in the chats. I'm waiting. I don't know if you can unmute yourself or not. But if you have any doubts, definitely I'm waiting in the chats. We have shown two example. Salary slip, you can do PDF automation, anything. This is just an example. We have limited time to show, that's why. And this is Gmail automation. I have shown for welcome email. You can do for reminder. You can do for task management, anything that whenever somebody updates the task, they will get a mail that, or what you can do, another use case is just allot one task here to your employee and they will get an email that you have been allotted this task. So use cases 100% customized. You can do many things. Okay, this is just an example. You, as per your own situation, you can change the use cases. Okay, one I have given only example that reminders. You can do task management, that whenever you are allotting any employee any task, they will get the email automatically that this is the task. So simple task management, or work management or project management, all these things are possible. You can give a front end also. Right now we have given this only this JavaScript part. You can add a front end also with HTML. That they then what will happen, they will get a front end on there, like a front end. I'm going to show you HTML now. Okay, can we bring run button in sheet? Yes, I told it. Instead of going, definitely we are not going to run it again this way. You can bring button here. You can bring button here also. Like you can add a button also. You just have to write ChatGPT that I want a run button in maybe F7 or something, F2. It will give a button here. And you have to link your code to that button. Okay, you can ask, definitely ask ChatGPT how to link my button with this code. Ultimately, this send welcome email, this is running. So your button, you have to link with this send button, sorry, send welcome email. Instead of run, it is going to run through that button. Simple. That's why I have given the link. Once again, I'm sharing. You can edit that. Okay. You can simply copy the code and you can edit there. That I want these changes, I want that changes. Okay. I don't know what opened this. Okay, also you can do it with anti-gravity also, not an issue. So we'll move ahead. Yes, anybody in the chats who can confirm? I'm waiting. Okay, I take it a yes because we have limited time. So yes, thank you Pranavji, Payalji. Now our third example, very common. We are using Tally every day. Okay, so let me open Tally, simple Tally. Okay, just give me 1 second. No ODBC, nothing. Third example is simple. I'll show you. Just give me 1 second. Uh, just give me 1 second. HTML base. Just 1 second. Monthly data dashboard with live data set. Yes. Yes, you can do this also. Just give me 1 second. Monthly data. How come it got changed? Daybook. Yes, this is it. This is it. Okay. Not that one. Daybook. So what we can do, simple. Okay, just let me 1 second. I don't know how the license got this. Just give me 1 second. Activate existing license. Just 1 second. Can we do same in SMS or WhatsApp? For WhatsApp, you will require WhatsApp API, which you have to purchase. Since this is Gmail, Google Workspace, and Google Sheet is also Google Workspace. Hence, this is easier. We have done without cost. But if you want WhatsApp message, you have to take WhatsApp API, which WhatsApp will charge. But you can do it, yes, definitely. Okay. Okay. So now we'll do simple. We will open one data. Okay. Mm, where is my tally? So we will open any data. What we are doing is we are doing the analysis manually. So Definitely, those who know with ODBC and everything, we can fetch the data also. But those who do not want to make it complex, what we will do, we will analyze half manually, half automation. Okay, you can do full automation. Yes. What right now, what I'm going to show, suppose, not this, suppose there is the day book, display day book. Okay, so now we have the day book. Okay, there is not much entry, and we will do it detailed. Yes, and simple, what we'll do, export it, alt E. Okay, current and export. So this will take a little bit of time, so I have already exported here. The day book here is going to look like this. Okay, this is the day book here, 1st April to 31st March. Simple, any day book, any day book. Second, what it is, Mithai Limited, you can see. Second thing is, suppose we want to see how many entries on holiday, how many entries were passed on a holiday. So what we can do, we will just create a holiday calendar. Okay, I have not taken big, suppose 20 to 23 data is there. So I have given the list of Good Friday, May Day, 26 January, yeah, wo, everything, and Sundays also. Right now I have not taken it so that it does not become big. In April, May, June, July, I have restricted it. Okay, so we created one holiday list and we created one day book. Okay, two things. You can do anything, yes. Right now what I want to check is holiday, how many entries on a holiday. Okay, which if we do manually, it is going to take a lot of time. But you will see, simple, I have created analyzer. Simple, I'm going to show the code and everything, don't worry. Again, it is some slow. We have to wait just a minute so that it opens up. Yes. So daybook analyzer, this is HTML code, not online, not anywhere, running on my desktop. No data sharing, nothing. You can see desktop Pune, all these things, user location. This is mine. So what I will do, choose file, and I will simply give the location of the daybook here and choose holiday list, and I will give the holiday calendar and analyze data. Within fraction of a second, we are going to get a lot of insights. Okay, I have also told to give extra insights. You can customize it 100%. So total transaction, you can see 2300 transactions are there. Total debit, total credit, holiday transaction 154. In a click of a button, we got that 154 transaction on holiday. Then I've told that give it monthly debit versus credit, so that any anomaly is there. You can see in January the credit is too high whereas debit is low. Constantly this is happening. So any type of anomalies or the variations you can track. Voucher type wise, we have seen which is the highest voucher type used. So you can see payment voucher has been the highest. That's why credit is more. Okay, stock journal and everything has been used. So if there is any variation or high anomaly, you can see that days of the week. You can see Sunday also 398 transactions are there. Monday highest, and Saturday there are less transaction. And transaction on holiday, it is telling why the transaction. It is a Bohag View local holiday here. Okay, Good Friday is there. The entries have been passed. May Day, the entries have been passed. Everything in fraction of a second. This is personalized. This is customized. You can do anything. Yes. So now what I have done, simply I have gone to anti-gravity. Okay, after installing anti-gravity, you can open it from here also. Okay, I will close that anti-gravity. I think it is closed only. So what you can do, simply right click, open with anti-gravity. So directly it is a shortcut that you can open from here. Okay, we will not go to anti-gravity. We will understand the basics, then we can do it anywhere, anywhere. Okay, here you can see everything is coming. What is the prompt? Very simple. Okay, let me see if this is the prompt. Yes. I need you to build a browser-based dashboard using HTML for my internal audit process. I want to perform a holiday audit on my accounting data. Okay, here is exactly the app should work and what data I will provide. So every time it is saying there will be an input file, it will upload it in the sidebar. File A, daybook, and file B, holiday calendar. So we are telling it contains column date, particular voucher type, all these things. There may be comma and all these things are there. Second is holiday calendar. It has two sheets. Sheet one holidays, list of specific holiday, date and name. sheet to Sundays. This is bit complex. Month is there, and then Sunday dates, which is 6, 13, 20. I've given everything. So you don't have to upload anywhere. The logic, the app needs to compare the transaction date in the day book against the date in the holiday calendar. That whenever any transaction date and holiday date is matching, it needs to compare. If a transaction on a Sunday or a holiday, flag it. I want to know if it is a Sunday or a holiday. The dashboard, I want professional layout with top cards, alert zone, all these things, general trends showing debit versus credit each month. Okay, threshold limit is there, top 10 transaction, everything you can do. Okay, I'm going to give you this in the chats. Just give me 1 second. Chats. Okay, please check if you got it. And this HTML also I'm going to give. Don't worry, you can perform with any data. I'm going to give you this daybook because this is a sample data. The tally data is dummy. So I'm giving you all the files. So what happened? You can directly write this in ChatGPT or Antigravity or Google Claude anywhere. In one time, maybe you will not get the perfect one. So sometimes what happened? You will get some error or anything. 2 times, 3 times, you are going to get it. And again, I'm saying this is 100% customizable. I have done holiday audit. You can do debit, credit, top debtors, creditor, top 5, top 10, top 15, whatever you want. So here we have not done completely automation. Daybook we are fetching manually. But after you have daybook, you can do a lot of things. You can extract debtors report, creditors report, PL, balance sheet. Okay, I will show you one example. Once I will close my tally. Okay, because when you are doing directly, you need to switch on ODBC. Okay, so I will close once my tally. I will show you how we can do directly. Okay, right click and run as administrator. Okay, so I will run as administrator. Only one step is extra. Just give me 1 second. And F1, and we go to connectivity and switch on ODBC. This is ODBC. Just yes, yes, yes. Run as administrator, number one, number two, F1 help. So with these two, what you can do, simple, I'm going to show you. Again, we'll open the data, tally data. Okay. And then what we will do, monthly data. Okay, here what I have done now, almost I think it is time. So I'm going to show in shortcut a little bit. I have extracted monthly PL, and then all 10 and monthly. This way, this normal tally, I have not used any TDL or anything. Alt F1. We can see the monthly here. Okay. Here you can see auto column. Again, I'm showing profit loss auto column, and here monthly, quarterly. This is normal tally, no TDL, nothing used. I choose monthly. Okay. Similarly, PL and then balance sheet also. I choose auto column. Here auto column is there. Please try it. This is wonderful function. Monthly. Okay. So what I did is monthly and PL and balance sheet. Okay. Manually also I can do. Automation also I can do. Suppose I am running Python now. I am just showing you now the possibilities. Okay. So it is going to take 1 minute, 2 minutes maybe. I don't know. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, especially when I'm in seminars. So here you can see directly you can load the Excel also. Please select the PL profit loss file first. So profit loss and then balance sheet. Everything is one step by step told to ChatGPT to make this. So as soon as we are loading the monthly data, you can see beautifully dashboard is coming. It is giving us the monthly revenue versus net profit. It is and this comprehensive trends, sale trend, expense trend, debtors trend, creditors trend. Because now we are having the monthly figures. So you can see if there is abrupt variations, you can see immediately. You can see, okay. Similarly, you can see financial ratios and everything. Many things. This is just my own thinking. If you want to see expense wise, so you can see CRM is too high. We have to check what it is. Others are comparatively better. Similarly, audit intelligence, top revenue, which month, quarter three is the highest sale month, December, gross profit, net profit, direct cost, and salary debtors, everything is there. You can red flags also. If 20% variation in any month, immediately it is going to say the March dropped. Revenue crashes in March, January, September, June. Similarly, May, margin compression, everything is there. Okay, so you can do a lot of things. It is very, very customized and automatically means what I want to say is that you can do it on your own. Also, you can do directly since we have ODBC open. So now directly fetch data. Starting here, I have to check it is 2022 and target month is March. We want till March. Okay, I hope it comes. Yes. So now you don't have to load the PL manually. You don't have to do anything. It is going to give us everything. Okay, so all these things what happen is that we can move from manual to automation easily using ChatGPT. You can use Excel. Why I have chosen different apps? If you are using Excel, you can do that. If you are using Google Apps Script, you can do that. If you are using HTML, you can do that. If you are using Python, you can do that. There is no limitation. Only and only limitation is our own thoughts. So I hope it's almost an hour. If I have more time, I can show one more example. If we have to wind up, I can wind up. Now it depends on the feedback. So yes,
I think
one more.
I I think it was a really engaging session, and I would really want to know myself also what are the opinions. Do they want to extend or
Everybody is saying, Dil mange more. Man. Okay, I will show in batch file
so,
also.
but there is one more thing that if you think you have done lot of like it's it's too heavy to understand maybe for people who are not practicing it on the daily basis. So
Hmm.
if people who want to have one more session from Lokesh, we can do it like that on the same topic for dashboards because dashboards itself is really a wonderful topic,
Wonderful,
especially
wonderful.
those who are doing virtual CFO services and who want to
Yes.
provide such. So
Anyways,
it is,
I as I told, I already have some videos made. Okay.
huh, huh.
So I am going to give the links and you can connect with me anytime you have any doubts. Okay. My sole purpose is I have already told that all of us has to support each other. So I am going to share you one YouTube channel where all the videos are already there. You can show, you can learn step by step process. You want to learn Excel, Gmail, Tally, AppScript, everything. Okay, so you can learn from there. No doubt, I will be happy to take another session also. But those who want to practice it, I have already given the practice files. So just give me 1 second. I'm going to show you. If you type on the Google also any, just give me 1 second. Simply you can type TechFlow Hub. Okay, not co.in, just 1 minute. TechFlow Hub. Array, it is coming again this only. TechFlow Hub. If you type, you will get the link where I have made all the videos. All these videos are available with practice file, detailed explanation. Many things are there. So if you just simply go to the channel, okay, give me a second. You can see in the playlist section, I have given everything. Okay. Also GST reconciliation, ye, wo, everything is already there. Okay. In the home also, you can see the GST reconciliation, how we are doing automatically or link Tally to Excel, everything. Tally tips is there. So my channel is all about tips and tricks, all about professionals, how we can help each other, and everything is free there. You can just write anything. Suppose you want to see automatic Gmail. So Gmail automation, if you type this much, then you will get this email, this video of whatever I have shown right now. You want power query or you want salary slip automation. Okay, suppose your I salary example that I gave. So this is the salary slip automation. So everything is already there. Still I will be happy only if I am invited second time. Okay, you can connect with me
It is not about if I am invited. If everyone is requesting, we are definitely all in to invite you again. This is all for the members of our branch
Yes, yes.
or whoever members have joined our group.
Yes,
So it is my suggestion that we can take maybe one more session in our series, because people will get some hands-on experience, and
yes, definitely,
they
definitely.
can use it themselves, then understanding would become more easier.
Yeah. Definitely, anytime I would, since I am seeing the messages, thank you so much for all the messages. And you do one thing, whatever 3 to 4 sessions, sorry, 3 to 4 topics or automation I have shown, I have given the files, little bit of practice them. Okay, also explore the channel. There are many things. And after maybe 2 3 weeks, once again, we will, if everybody wants, we will do the one more session.
Yes, I can also read all the comments. So going through the chats, I'm
Thank
sure
you.
that everybody is very happy and very excited to explore this Google anti-gravity and the various tools which you have, various use cases which you have explained. Definitely, most of us you have definitely used Tally, I feel,
Yes,
and the
yes, definitely.
dashboard which you explained in the end, that was really wonderful. And I am sure that we might not do it as fast as you did it.
No,
We
no,
will take some, we will take some time, and this YouTube channel which you said is definitely going to help us. And this session also has a, we have also recorded this session. It is there on our Pune ICAI branch YouTube channel, so you can see it there also. So thank you so much, Lokesh, on behalf of all the members who have
thank you.
joined. I would want to ask any of the members if you have want to say something. Uh,
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what
It
is
was
your name? You have joined with Motorola Moto. So, I would request you all to please put in your
yes,
name so we know which members have joined.
definitely. Hardeep. Actually, it was by default. It took the name of the
Okay.
Yes,
mobile
yes.
phone.
Okay.
Mhm.
It was indeed wonderful session.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, sir, I would like to know how could we automate the responses to various GST notices? What are the various tools which would be helpful in that regard?
GST notice also, sir, there is no single automation you can apply because every notice is different. So what you can do is there is a custom GPT. Those who have idea, Chat GPT, there is option of custom GPT. And there are
Yes.
custom GPTs created by many chartered accountants only. You can use that and they are trained on GST notices only. So there is a litig aid. I will write in the chats. There is one
Okay.
beautiful custom GPT called litig aid.
Okay, sir.
Litic aid. So what you can do, plus don't forget to redact the pen number and all this sensitive information before you upload to AI. That
Yes,
you
sir.
must understand that we have to this redact the information. Otherwise, it is going to be problematic for us.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you try find this on custom GPT. Definitely, you are going to find litigate.
Okay, sir. And
Yes.
thank you so much, sir, for the wonderful session. And
Thank you, sir. It was
thanks
my
to
pleasure. It
Pune
was definitely
branch
my pleasure,
management
sir.
also for this wonderful initiative.
Ma'am, you are on mute.
So, with
Yeah.
everybody's permission, if we do not have any other queries or doubts, then maybe we can close this session. And we would definitely plan, maybe we have next two sessions planned. So maybe after that we can have one more session from Lokesh. We can take a suitable time and we can go ahead.
Yeah. Just one last request from me that please once let us switch on the camera so that we can take one photo. It is virtual, but definitely as a memory because first time
Yes.
I am speaking for Pune branch, so this is very special for me. So if anybody thinks they can show their video, definitely one
Yes,
image.
a humble request to everyone to please switch on the cameras.
Yes. And any doubts, I have already shared my detail. Plus, also I will write in the chats. Also, you can message me anytime. I am there. Okay, so just I will click one photo. Give me 1 second. Sniping tool. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for this wonderful, wonderful opportunity. And thank you for patience listening. I hope you got some value out of it. Again, once again, I would say anybody can connect with me anytime. I am already into this only, that I want that everybody should help everyone. Only then we can move ahead. There is no that I am learning this. You or everybody is expert in something. If we help everyone, everybody will become expert in everything. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was really very amazing opportunity for me.
Yes. Thank you so much, Lokesh. And thank you
Thank you.
everyone for joining. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.